naman ginagawa ko? Nagtatrabaho ako.
Please. Please. Moment namin ito, moment.
Ikaw ang demonyo.
Ba't mo ginaganyan mo ako?
Kaya nga. At saka wag mo akong ano, dahil iba yung sahod mo sa sahod ko.
Ay, naku, di ba? Huwag mo kung ano yung trabaho natin sa kayong sahod. Gusto mo tawagin natin ang amo natin
O
ngayon?
sige, go. Tawagin mo. Ngayon mismo magre-resign ako kung hindi ayaw niya ako. Oh, pero ikaw ang mapapahiya dahil hindi ako bibitawan ng amo natin. Obligasyon mo yan maglinis dahil si Maykay, ako kusinero ako. Nakikita kita, alam mo yung puso mo, nagsisinungaling ka. Alam mo, sinungaling ka.
Ikaw ang sinungaling.
Ikaw ang sinungaling. Tingnan mo yung mukha mo, alatang sinungaling ka. Ano? Naku, ayan po, para makita niyo po yung pagmumukha ng sinungaling. Ayan. Ayan po, yung mukha ng sinungaling.
Hindi po ako makapag-isa lang salita sa ano nyo, sa bread na ito. Alam niyo po, wala akong ano sa kanya, sasabihin sa akong...
Sige po.
Alam po, sinasabi niya po nung live niya nakaraan, pangit ako, upo, totoo po yun, mahirap ako, totoo po yun, hindi po ako nagsisinungaling. Ang kalagayan namin, mahirap kami. Hindi kami mayaman, pangit ako, totoo po yung sinabi niya lahat. Dinuro niya ako, totoo po yun.
Huwag kang sinungaling.
She'll be arrested. Yeah. And she has to pay all the money back. And then money they pay from Filipina, she had a van or house that they can block it. Because I'm not keep you with the force.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me.
I know, sir.
Hold on. For example, you want to break the control? Me and you, I can make a control. I wanted to break. I have to go by the law. And you're going to go by the law, you'll be in trouble.
Yeah.
When I catch the guy, because I have to pay the police to catch him. For example, they catch for 1 day, for 1 month, I pay less to 300, 500. I know. See, for example, move from this country, another country, and they can be arrested. For example, she go in Germany. They have a contract with governmental business. They can bring here. They can bring here, they can bring to me, they can break the contract, to sign the contract, and to send the help to Philippines. And she don't have money. I have to buy the ticket for her
to go back to the
Philippines. Go back to the Philippines, but all the thing, how she broke the contract, the bank over there, or the house over there, they can put in the line. They can pay lien, you know?
Yeah.
You have to pay me, you have to get the house I have it. But I'm not do like that. I say, come to me. You want to, and she lied me. She told me, I want to stay here. Listen, I want to stay here, but I don't know when I say. I say that, what happened? What he do wrong to you? You know, I told her, when he come, everything is say, oh, I'm going to sell, I bring the bread to sell, and they have, what happened to you now? He told me something, I don't know. He told me, I see after the door. You see after the door? Her? Huh?
What after the door, sir?
I see him from here after the door.
She's looking at me?
Yeah. What he doing after that? Why you not talk to him? I don't want. No, you have to talk. What you do to my door? This you sleep over here, it's your door. I never come to your door.
Yes.
Huh?
Oh, she is listening to my door. I don't know that, sir. Because I do not do that to her also. I do not do it to you also. She is spying me. You know, sir, the problem is our religion, because our church leader in the Philippines want me to do bad things to me. They want to do bad things to me. That is why they are telling Estela to tell your boss to fire Jay. I told Estela, you cannot do that because our boss love me. You know that. You see that.
She's fucking stupid. I can't believe it. She looking there, and really, and when I see the people who tell me what happened to her, I never say it like, because the people will to tell, I said, no, she is just a cleaning. Some people, they don't like to touch, for example, the bell. Maybe they have a sick, they have something.
Yes.
And they go to people and say, no. She only was cleaning.
That is why I told my friends in the Philippines that even though she broke the contract, she left without saying proper goodbye to you. I told them that still my boss want to tell Estela that you have to talk to my boss because you will be in a big trouble. Your church, our former church, I don't believe in church made by man anymore now.
Believe me, you can go very good. You don't believe in the church. You don't believe in faith. Listen, one thing. He come from the mother.
Yes.
Huh? He come from the mother, the priest.
Yes.
He come from the mother and father.
Yes.
Why he be God?
Yes.
He lied.
Yeah. Now our church leader in the Philippines, he's telling his our brothers and sisters in the Philippines that he is God. Imagine he made a statue of him and parading in the feast of God. We have a quarterly, we have a feast of God. We celebrate God in the Philippines, but he have a what do you call this? A statue, and then they parade his statue in the Philippines. It's not good. Now, that's why I'm telling my friends yesterday, I told my friends, if ever you have contact to Estela, just please tell him, because she will be in a big trouble. Even their property, their car, their house in the Philippines, it will be confiscated.
Why? I have to pay the lawyer. The lawyer had to pay the lawyer in Philippines. To go in court, to do that. Okay, Jay.
Yes, sir. Sir, the list I give you, you have to buy.
Yeah.
Because there will be people
How many
later.
people?
5 people. 3 here and 2 there.
All right, good.
So ayun po mga kapatid, narinig niyo po yan ha mga kapatid, kahit na medyo mahirap intindihin po yung yung English. Yes sir, sa mga naninira sa akin na yan King, narinig mo na wala akong ginagawang masama kay Estela. Tingnan nyo, hindi ko rin alam yun ha. Ang boss ko ang nagsabi. Ngayon ko lang nasabi, ngayon ko lang nalaman, narinig nyo lahat na sabi ko na kasi may sensor po yung ilaw ng hallway. Pagka po biglang nag-tick tapos umilaw yung ibig sabihin there is someone outside, somebody outside. So, lagi ko pong naririnig yon na meron pong nagbubukas yung ilaw. Kaya sinisilip ko po yung yung hole doon sa pinto. So ayan, sinabi ng boss ko na tinitiktikan pala ako. So wala po akong wala po akong kaalam-alam po doon. Tapos bigla na lang na naliligo ako, biglang gagalabugin yung pintuan. Na hindi naman po ako natatakot kahit takutin nila ako. Hindi naman ako natatakot. Tapos lalabas ako, nakatupis ako, walang tao. So ganun pala yung ginagawa. Na tinitiktikan ako, na gagawan ako ng masama, gagawan ako ng Alam niyo po, kahit anong gawin ninyong kasamaan, sabi nga ni Brother Eli, you cannot bring a good man down. Hindi ko sinasabi na mabuti akong tao. I am trying to be a good person. Kaya yan po, narinig po ninyo na sinabi ng boss ko mismo, ayan, narinig niyo po naka-live po ito. At alam ng boss ko kasi tumitingin dito yung boss ko. Alam niya na hindi po talaga ako bibitawan ng boss ko. Kagabi nga tumawag yung boss ko. Sabi ko, bili mo naman ako ng bere.
yung pong birek kasi nila, traditional food nila, nagustuhan ko po yun. Every time na lalabas siya, yun yung sinasabi kong, bili mo naman ako ng birek. Tapos sabi niya, okay, my son, I will buy you birek. So, yun. Anak na po ang tawag sa akin ng boss ko. Kita niyo naman po, inakap ako. Lagi niya po akong niyayakap. Hindi po bading itong boss ko. Lalaki po ito. So, ayun po mga kapatid. Tapos, nung kumain ako actually, hindi naman ako kakain dapat, kakakain ko lang. So, naintriga lang ako. Gusto ko kasing makita yung mga, at ma-experience yung mga traditional food po nila dito. So, yun, pumunta ako doon sa restaurant nung kaibigan ng boss ko. Nung magbabayad na ako, ayaw nilang ibigay yung bill. Sabi ko, bakit? Sabi kong ganyan, kailangan kong bayaran yon. Tapos sabi nung father, yun yung kaibigan ng boss ko, yung father nung mga bata. Tinatranslate nung anak. Ano daw sabi ng tatay mo? Hindi daw nila tatanggapin yung bayad mo kasi isa lang daw ang J dito. So yun po mga kapatid. Ganun ba? Sabi ko, kahit na, sabi ko, namuhunan kayo dyan. Hindi talaga nila tinanggap yung bayad ko. Kaya dun sa mga nagsasabing inaway ko si Stella, wala akong utang na loob kay si Stella. Hindi ko po siya inaway. Malakas po kasi akong makaramdam. Pagka kinutuban ako, most likely 100% tama po yun. So, hindi po ako nagkamali na sinisiraan na pala ako ni si Stella. Pero ganun pa man, wala naman ako masamang tinapay kasi si Stella is also a victim of this religious feud, religious war. Kaya dun sa mga nagsasabing wala akong utang na loob, ayan, napahiya kayong lahat. Yung boss ko mismo ang nagsabi. Sabi ko sa inyo, mapapahiya lang kayo. Dun sa mga nagsasabing tapos challenge nyo ako ng debate. Sige, magdebate kayo ngayon. Kahit sinong gustong makipagdebate ngayon sa akin, sige, didebatihin ko na kayo. Nakita nyo na yung pruweba ko ha, na ayan, ayoko sanang ilabas yung ibang pruweba ko regarding sa boss ko kasi may mga recorded na ako. Ayan, nakita nyo na mismo. Sige. So, ako na mismo ang nakikiusap ngayon sa boss ko na sana kausapin na lang natin na maayos. Kung ayaw niya talaga dito, is pabayaan niyo na lang po. Willing naman yung boss ko. Ang lang ng boss ko is makipag-usap siya ng maayos para masettle yung dapat na masettle legally. Yun po mga kapatid. So, lahat po ng lahat po ng mga naninira sa akin ngayon na wala akong utang na loob dun sa tumulong sa akin dito, yan, napahiya na kayo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, mapapahiya lang kayo. Dahil wala naman akong anong kinalaman ko dun. Ngayon, kung nagsigawan man kami ni si Stella, I intentionally did that na ma-air yung pagsisigawan namin. Nakita nyo naman kung sino ang nag-provoke. Biruin mo, katabi ko lang siya, ang dami-daming linisin. Hindi naman marumi yung linilinis niya, tapos kalaksing ng kalaksing. Hindi pa po pwedeng linisin yun ng hindi kinakalaksing. So, gamitin nyo lang yung mga utak ninyo. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, nakulto na nga tayo, tapos makukulto pa kayo sa mga ganyang mga paniniwala. Akala ko bang open-minded kayo? Kung open-minded talaga kayo, titingnan ninyo yung side ng parehong partido. Kaya siguro sumigaw si dahil naburyong siya. Kaya siguro napasigaw na si dahil napuno na siya. Hindi naman natin alam kung what is behind the camera. Hindi naman natin alam kung anong nangyayari sa kanila behind the camera. Ang ibinababa ay matataas at ang nagpapakataas ay mabababa. Amen.